Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study with depression and ADHD. To begin, prepare your study environment. Find a quiet, clutter-free space where you can focus without interruptions. Make sure all your books, notes, and supplies are within easy reach before you start. This prevents you from getting up and losing momentum. Consider using a timer for focused work, perhaps 25 minutes, followed by a short break. This structured approach can significantly improve your concentration and reduce overwhelm. Next, tackle large assignments by breaking them into smaller, more manageable steps. Instead of seeing one huge task, focus on completing just one small part. This makes the work feel less daunting and helps combat procrastination. As you finish each mini-task, check it off your list. This visual progress can be incredibly motivating and provides a sense of accomplishment, encouraging you to continue. Managing your focus and energy is crucial. Plan for short, regular breaks, perhaps 5 to 10 minutes every half hour, to prevent mental fatigue. During these breaks, try some light physical activity, like stretching or walking a few steps, to re-energize your mind and body. Also, consider your energy levels when scheduling tasks. Tackle more challenging subjects when you feel most alert and save easier ones for when your energy dips. Finally, remember to practice self-compassion. Studying with depression and ADHD presents unique challenges, and it's okay to have off days. Don't be too hard on yourself if you struggle to focus or feel overwhelmed. Celebrate your efforts, no matter how small. Reach out to friends, family, or academic advisors for support when you need it. You don't have to navigate this journey alone. Help is available.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.